Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made this beautiful solar eclipse and lunar eclipse project completely by hand. For this project, I use simple and easy available material. I did whole project step by step, including cutting, curling, pasting, making the sun, earth, and moon, creating shadows and preparing the different informational tags. I select black chart as a background. Before starting, I cut my all shapes which is needed during my project. First, I cut the shape of sun, then earth and moon. For cutting process, you can use knife or cutter. It's depend that you directly apply a color paper on a black background chart or you can apply on a texture. I use a texture to create more realistic look of the project. First, I cut all the shapes. This process take a time, but it's make your project more beautiful and realistic. After cutting, I am making moon. For the moon, I want to create a different texture. So instead of simple using color paper, I used cotton to give the moon a rough and realistic appearance. I formed the cotton into a circle shape and attach it carefully, one by one. This is how I made solar eclipse and lunar eclipse project using simple material and a lot of creativity. From cutting the shapes and curling the earth to making the moon creatively the shadow and areas and preparing all the informational tags. I made every part of this project by hand. I hope you like this project and found the explanation helpful. If you are enjoying this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative school projects, science models, DIY ideas and educational activities. The most important thing to remember is the arrangements of solar eclipse is sun, moon and earth. An arrangement for lunar eclipse is sun, earth and moon. For this purpose, we have to create each items 2 times. Now it's time to make the sun. For the sun, I used orange paper. First, I draw a large circle shape on the paper. Then I carefully cut the circle using scissors. Instead of leaving the circle completely plain, I give its edge a slight irregular shapes to make it look more creative and attractive. Now making the earth. For the earth, I use a circulated shape. The circular shape and color it using blue and green color. Blue represent the ocean while green represent the land. I carefully colored the surface to make it look like small model or of our planet. After curling, I allow it to dry properly. It's important that you color every edge of your planet. After preparing all the main object, I start making the information tag and placing every item correctly. The black background gives a project space like appearance, while the orange sun, blue and green earth, gray moon make the model colorful and attractive. These simple arrangement is the main concept of our project. After placing every item carefully, then we have to make the lines that show the shadow. First, I measure the chart paper and now comes out one of the most important part of this project, the shadows. I use gray and between the lines that show and represent the shadow produced when one object blocks the light from another. There are two important shadow range that you need to understand. Now after making the shadows, now I am tagging every part of the project and make it more beautiful and detailed. This is now the whole look of our project. Hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe the channel.